Pleased to show you 2021
Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.